Hey there, feel like your portfolio's mix of stocks and bonds is out of whack? Changing your asset allocation in Fidelity realigns your investments with your current risk tolerance and goals. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to adjust it. First, use Fidelity's portfolio analysis tool to see your current allocation. To change it, you'll need to buy and sell holdings. A simpler method is to direct new contributions into the underweighted asset class. For a major overhaul, you can sell portions of overweighted holdings and use the proceeds to buy funds in the categories you want to increase. My crucial pro tip: consider using a Fidelity Target Date Index fund or a robo-advisor. These are single funds or managed accounts that automatically maintain a specific asset allocation for you. It's the ultimate hands-off way to ensure your portfolio stays properly balanced over time. That's how you take deliberate control of your investment mix. How often do you review and rebalance your portfolio? Annually, quarterly, or when the market shifts? Share your strategy below. For more guides on portfolio management, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.